Hello kids, welcome to my Birds Riddles challenge. I am going to give you cues for birds. You have to guess the bird's name in 5 seconds.
I'm black and white, waddle when I walk, and I cannot fly. What am I?
Flightless birds with distinctive black and white plumage. They are excellent swimmers and waddlers.
I'm a symbol of wisdom, with big eyes that gleam. I hunt in the night, an owl is my name. What am I?
Nocturnal birds with large, forward-facing eyes. They are known for their wisdom and the ability to rotate their heads almost 360 degrees.
I am small, swift, and often mistaken for my cousin, the mouse. What am I?
Hummingbirds are tiny, colorful birds with the ability to hover in mid-air. They feed on nectar from flowers.
I'm a colorful parrot, known for my ability to talk. What am I?
Parakeets and parrots are colorful birds known for their ability to mimic human speech. They have vibrant plumage and are often kept as pets.
I'm a long-legged wader with a long, curved neck. You can find me in ponds and lakes. What am I?
Cranes are tall birds with long legs and necks. They are often found in wetlands and have a distinctive trumpeting call.
I'm the national bird of the United States, known for my majestic soaring flight. What am I?
The bald eagle is a large bird of prey and the national bird of the United States. It is known for its impressive soaring flight.
Migrate across continents, flying in a V shape. What am I?
Geese are migratory birds that travel in a V formation during migration. They have a distinctive honking call.
I'm a tiny bird that hovers in the air, sipping nectar from flowers. What am I?
Ostriches are large, flightless birds with long legs and necks. They are the fastest running birds and have powerful legs.
I'm a large bird with a long neck, known for my ability to run fast. What am I?
Woodpeckers have a strong beak and are known for drumming on trees. They use their beaks to find insects in tree bark.
I have a red crest on my head, and I'm known for drumming on trees. What am I?
Yay!
Flamingos are wading birds with long legs and a distinctive pink color. They are often found in large groups near water.